Hi there! Today we're going to be making these wire wrapped earrings using head pins for the frame wire. So let's get wrapping. For these earrings we need 4 head pins that are 5 cm or 2 inches long, and because the head pin wire is narrower than my normal frame wire, we're going to use 0.25mm diameter or 30 gauge wire as the weaving wire. Then we need 2 beads, the ones I'm using at 8mm diameter, and 2 ear hooks. And the tools we need are round nose pliers, chain or flat nose pliers, wire cutters, and a rawhide mallet or hammer and block. For each earring we need 1 straight head pin, so to straighten it up and harden that wire a bit, we can just hammer it with a rawhide mallet, or you can just use a hammer gently. Then with the other head pin, not the one we've just hammered, we're going to make a small loop right at the very end. Then we'll thread that onto the straight head pin that we hammered. Thread on the bead, and then we can carefully spiral the head pin around the bead. Make sure we've got a good curve on that. Take it behind the straight head pin and then curve it around so that it ends up sitting in front at the top. And once we've got that curve started, we can improve it and just get that shape of curve that we want. And that's about the shape that I want it to be. And we'll do the same for the other earring. And we're ready to start the wrapping. For the wrapping, I'm using the 0.25 or 30 gauge wire, and I've got a piece about 1 metre long. It should be just over 3 feet. And we can wrap it around the straight wire 5 times. Then we'll just make sure that curved wire is in the place that we want it to be. Take the wrapping wire between those 2 frame wires and wrap a few times around that curved wire. Now I'm going to keep the wraps on the straight wire the same number each time, and then wrap the curved wire just to fit with that and keep the wires where they cross level. So for those first wraps on the curved wire, there's about 5 wraps there. Then I'll put 5 wraps on the straight wire. Take the wrapping wire through between the 2 frame wires again and wrap a few times on that curved wire. And again, I'm just judging by eye where that will end up level with the wraps on the straight wire. Then we can take that wrapping wire through between the frame wires, across to that straight wire again, and wrap 5 times on that straight wire. So each time I'm wrapping 5 times on that straight wire. And we'll just continue wrapping like this right the way up that curve, and make sure that curve stays the way we want it as we go. Now I know it can be a bit difficult to see the 0.25 wire on video, so here's a close-up of how that wrapping is looking. And we just want to continue wrapping that way right up to the top, and as we get near to where those 2 frame wires cross, we can just adjust that curved wire to make sure it's crossing at 90 degrees to the straight wire. Then we can put those last few wraps on I'm making sure each of those wraps are tightly together. Then wrap over to the straight wire one last time. And then we can come back to that curved wire and wrap a coil around it right to the very end of the head pin. Trim the excess weaving wire. And we can trim that wire where we started as well. Make sure the ends are tucked in nice and neatly. And wrap exactly the same for the other earring. Now to finish off the shaping, we can take that curved head pin right the way round. So it's sitting on front of the weaving. And just carefully adjust it until we've got the shape that we want. Trim that straight head pin. And create a hanging loop in the end. Then we just need to attach the ear hook. Complete the other earring in exactly the same way, and our earrings are finished. If you enjoyed this video, why not head to this playlist for more earring projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.